counterexamples using the same technology. We may not find them, but we can try and increase the chances of finding them. And one way of increasing the chances is by thinking of that as a search problem and trying to guide. So people have used, for example, ant colony algorithms to try and guide the search of the model checker for counterexamples towards more likely states that break the property that you want to break. That's an example. I still have a dream of bringing in formal verification into, so that going the other way, having formal verification, having more of a role to play in our optimization, so that heresy I presented of, failing test cases could actually kind of come full circle. And there are people interested in regression verification, where you, instead of trying to prove a system's correct, you try and prove it's no less correct than the previous version after some small change. And you can see how close that is to what we need, because we make these small changes. We'd love to be able to at least verify that we haven't regressed, as opposed to testing that we haven't regressed. So there has been some work on particularly model checking spaces, which naturally formulate as a search space once you go beyond that, which you can check and start getting into counterexample generation. But I still hope it'll be a two-way street. There will be a role for verification in our agenda as well. Imagine we have a keynote I'm going to be giving in a few weeks at ICST, the testing conference, and if I manage to finish the talk, I get up these slides about a thing I call Firefly Verify. So imagine we have a system where you can find bugs, you can fix them using this kind of genetic improvement, and then you can verify that they're fixed. So you take a system that you don't know much about, and for a particular class of bugs, you end up with a system that you guarantee is free of those bugs, that may have involved some fixing along the way. I mean, that would be phenomenal. And I think it's within our grasp. All the pieces are there. We just need to somehow, we just need to put them together and make it all work, like with everything in science and engineering.
Okay, let's speak here.
And can I encourage everyone to have some of our pastries? Or Roger and I will navigate the end from Michelle.
Yes.
It's not you we fear in this department, it's Michelle.
Well, isn't it always
We
there?
hide all the pastries so that if they are finished,
Don't you just
Roger
take
and I